Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. My name is Olorunwa. I'm reaching you live from Lagos, Nigeria. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you will earn money without paying nothing. Okay guys, this is purely survey site, okay, and it's a new site. As you can see it here, this survey you can earn from 1,000 to 20,000 naira. It depends on how you are fast. You must be fast concerning this survey, okay guys, and then you can be paid through paper, Amazon, or bank transfer. As a Nigerian, your money will be transferred to your bank account directly without even stress yourself whether you have paper or Amazon. Okay guys, so the name of this site is Surveu. Okay guys, I cannot even pronounce it very well. Okay guys, you can see you are, look at this now, you are already connected. Access your dashboard, click here. Okay, that is where you start registration. Okay guys, as you can see, it's how it works. Okay, we select the best pay survey on the market, you answer, you can cash out. Okay guys, in just a few seconds you join the community. Okay guys, so every day respond to survey and studies in just a few seconds. Okay guys, so what I'm really mean here is that you have to be fast when you see the survey now. Okay, I'll pick one of the survey. As you can see, register user, so those people that have registered, you can see them now. You can see them, and then site number 1 global, that is 82 countries, all over 82 countries. Okay, survey launch. Okay, I can see date, and then 10 million commission donated. Okay guys, so join today and start earning cash right away. Okay guys, so when you register the survey and you log in, okay, for instance now let me just log in so that you can be able to see exactly what I mean by this one now. Okay, so registration. Okay guys, so let me go back to my dashboard and see. Okay, today now, as you can see here now, you can see your gain. So by the time you are answering the question correctly, you will see this area. So this is where your money will be gathered. When your money is up to 10,000 naira, you can withdraw your money. Okay guys, you can withdraw your money here. So that is how the survey goes. Let me click one survey so that you'll be able to see it now. For instance now, you can see all the survey that happens today now. This is just today now. You can see this one now is 186 naira in 8 minutes. You have to answer this survey in 8 minutes. So as you can see, this one also, you can see this one also, 149 naira 50 kobo in 15 minutes. So you answer this one in 15 minutes. So this one also, I'm coming. So you can see this one is 179 naira 40 kobo. Okay, 15 minutes also, 280, 131, so 487 naira 60 kobo, that is in 21 minutes. So all this one is what you can answer. It's very simple. It's very simple. Just your name, your date of birth. You make sure that all the information you use for your registration is very intact. Okay, it's very intact, and you know everything offhand. Okay guys, so that you will be able to, when the question comes concerning that, you'll be able to answer it very well. Okay guys, so this is a new site and you can earn money without any investment in Nigeria. So this survey site, I will drop the link below on this video, so you can use the link to register. Okay guys, so if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you stay tuned for my next video. Peace.